So I don't know if you've had a chance to visit San Antonio, but I will let you know, last month in June, we had 17 days of over 100-degree weather. So it's time to head back to the tint shop and have the windows on the camper tinted with XPEL ceramic tint. Let's head over. All right, once again, we are at Tint Avenue, and we are getting some ceramic tint on the Bronco. We're gonna go ahead and do the rear window, and we're gonna do the side windows on the camper. They've also previously done the full front end paint protection film on the Bronco, so they've done the hood, the fenders, the fender flares, and also the back of the mirror skull caps have all been protected with the paint protection film. They did a great job last time. That's why I'm back here, and I'm gonna let these guys get to it. All right, so just like that, we are done. I'd like to thank Christian and his crew for getting me in and out. I actually did this on my lunch break. Much appreciated. And let's go look at the Bronco. So these guys did a great job, once again, using XPEL product. This is ceramic tint. Now, I didn't want it super, super dark. I want Mrs. Gone in 60 to be able to see at night when we're, when we're backing out and stuff like that. But now, all the way around, it has the ceramic tint. Like I said, these guys did a really, really good job. They take good care of me. And the video is coming up shortly on the paint protection film installation. So now all the windows are covered in XPEL ceramic tint. That ceramic tint blocks not just the ultraviolet rays, but also the infrared, which is the heat. And it is superior to regular tint. Even the windshield is tinted to protect my dash cam. So let's get out of here before Big Bad Sasquatch catches up with us again. Thanks for watching. I'm Gone in 60. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, we have some pretty good dyno videos and some install videos, so don't be afraid to binge watch. See you soon.